Hi, my name is Gloria. Originally, I'm from South Africa. I'm a civil engineer living in Ireland and working for Longford County Council. So after living in South Africa and working in South Africa in construction, then relocating to live and work in Ireland in construction as well, I have noticed the gap between the countries. As in South Africa, we used to cry and complain about the unemployment rate, about graduates that can graduate, finish, and not get jobs. While here in Ireland, as now I'm part of the Irish system, we are crying and complaining about skills shortages everywhere in construction sectors. When I say construction sectors, I mean civil engineers, electrical engineers, anything that has to do with infrastructure, building, starting from start to finish, whether you are talking about building a road, building a railway, building a house, anything that has to do with construction, infrastructures, and we have skills shortages in Ireland. So after noticing all this, I started this program for Ithuba Deis Opportunity to try to help individuals, graduates, people that, whether you are in Ireland or you are in South Africa looking for a job in construction, but you don't know where to start, you don't know where to go, who to talk to. We are here for that, to support you and help you get to where you can get with your construction or career skills in construction. And also, we don't just focus only in Ireland. Anyone, whether you are in South Africa, Nigeria, everywhere around Africa, we can try to help you as long as you have the right qualification, the right skills, and you are willing to learn. I'm sure there's something for you out there. As we work with different companies, and I have done a lot of trainings to help people on how to draft a CV, how to do a cover letter, and what skills shortages we are currently facing in Ireland. I'll talk about Ireland because that's where I'm living, that's where I'm working, and that's where I see the skills shortages that we are currently facing. So these days, most companies, what they do is to use a sort of like an AI tool to go through CVs, because I can imagine when you are an HR and you are facing like 1,000 CVs for just one position, they use that scanning thing that scans for the certain skills that they are looking for. For if you don't have that, or even if you have it but you don't put it on the CV that, oh, I have this, your CV will be thrown to the bin. So our job is to try to draft a CV for you and help you stand out with your own skills, with what you have, putting it in a right way that when a company is scanning for that, they find you. And most of our services is free because we're trying to help almost everyone. But there are some services that are not free. Like for you to get coaching, mentoring, support, and to talk to us, it's free. You can contact us anytime. But if we're gonna start helping you to apply for a job, to draft your CV properly, and to help you with everything, there will be a charge for that, depending on your situation and what we do for you. Thank you.